Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the forex synthetic market. In today's video, I'm going to deliver a lot of traders from losing money because you lose money because you don't know what you are doing, and this is a very powerful connection to a course. I will call it a kind of training that will help you to stop losing money trading. So the topic is I stopped losing money trading synthetic indices using this single strategy. So this strategy can also be deployed in forex markets, but I specially made it for synthetic market, but it can work elsewhere. So you will see it for live as I'm going to make massive profit deploying the strategy. I'm not going to explain the strategy because it is a paid strategy, because it took me several years to come to this level. So I'm not going to share it for free, because if I share it for free, you will not value it. So you have to pay for it for you to actually use it. Okay, so that's cool. So I'm going to the chart and I'll be placing trade. Okay, I'll be placing trade right here. I've already placed some trade already with this strategy, but I'm going to add more position. You see that I placed trade with this strategy, but I'm going to add more position. So pretty much candlestick analysis is needed in this strategy, but I don't care about other structure because this strategy does not actually make you to do some top-down analysis. So I'm going to be placing trade right here. I'm going to be using one lot size because my equity have gone. Okay, so I'm going to be using one lot size, but if you have something like $50 or $20 or less, you can pretty much use a lower lot size in the course. You'll be taught how to calculate the actual lot size you are going to use. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use an average lot size of 0.5. Yes, an average lot size of 0.5, because if you check 0.5 to 1, if you check 0.0 to 1, so the average is 0.5, right? So we are going to use 0.5 and we're going to buy positions. We're going to load positions. So I'll be giving you the update on this trade. You will see the distance created by this trade. You see the profit. I'm going to show you everything, but let's pause video because my take profit is this line. This is my take profit. Okay, that prime line is my take profit at 19,550. You see, this strategy works on all the assets in the synthetic spectrum, from volatility to jump indices to step indices to boom and crash market. It works perfectly. So make sure you get this strategy. The strategy will be selling at a very cheap price for the first 10 people to get this strategy, but once I have received 10 students, the cost of getting the strategy will go by 10 times. Imagine you losing money steady, you are not making money from this market year upon year. When people are celebrating Xmas and you're supposed to celebrate, you're supposed to come up with certain celebration, but you can't because you have already dedicated yourself to trade, but you're not making money. So that's why you need to use what you have to get what you don't have. So I'm going to leave this trade. Why it's grow profits and bleeding profit. So that's cool. Let's come back and see what is going to happen here. Okay, back to the profit. You see, the trades ended up hitting the take profit. I see the power of the strategy. The strategy is ultimately very, 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 very powerful and consistent. It doesn't fail. So it's left for you to take an action, make decision. This is the best financial decision you can ever take. as a synthetic trader. It is applicable on volatilities, applicable on boom and crash, applicable on jump indices. It is also extensible to forex market. So that's good. Bye for now.